Amazon have just made significant changes that's going to massively impact your business, and for once it's actually for the better. This is going to get you access to millions of more customers. Welcome back everyone to Deal Hunters. My name is Damien. I am here teaching you everything there is to know about Amazon FBA, and we also offer services that can help you grow your business, get products for your business, pretty much do anything for your business. So before we get into it, let's just explain what is Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon, and what that means is you can buy products, ship them into Amazon, and they will take care of everything else. That's right, the guy that comes to your door with the boxes, that's probably not actually coming directly from Amazon. They just deal with shipping and ordering of your products, i.e. me as a person. I ship those products in and you're buying. Now, what we're going to be discussing in this video is about expanding your business. You're a UK seller and you're thinking, this is going well, I would love to expand it. Do I go for the USA? It's a possibility, but for me, the closest marketplace, the biggest marketplace for you to be expanding into is going to be the European Union, the EU. That's right, the European Union and the UK all put together is the same size roughly as the USA. The USA is one hell of a marketplace, but if you have access to all these different countries, it opens up so many different doors. The first thing I want to talk about is competitive pricing. What this means is if you sell something in the UK, perhaps it's very popular in the UK, very common in the UK. Say you're selling mugs. These mugs retail at £10 in the UK, but they're very common. It's a popular brand. Everyone in their household has them. They're very, very common. However, there's people in Germany or France that want these mugs. They love them so much, but they can't get access to them. What does that mean? Well, they can import them from the UK at a premium price of, say, £15 a mug. What that means is for you as the seller, you have access to more profitability because the people want these products in that country and you're the only supplier of it. You can see how this opens up the doors. So what does it mean to sell in Europe? Well, you have access naturally to millions, and I do mean millions of more customers by selling in the UK and across Europe. And as I said, it's a massive market all across Germany, France, Italy, Spain, with a high demand for diverse products. Now, there's a thing called Pan-EU Fulfillment Network, and what that means is with Amazon's pan-European fulfillment, your products can be stored closer to your customers in different countries. This means faster shipping times, better customer satisfaction, and more chances to win the buy box. Amazon appreciates that you're opening up your goods to all markets because most people will not be doing that. Now, this is what prompted me to do this video. As of September 16th, which is tomorrow from the date of recording, Amazon is about to reduce their FBA fulfillment fees by up to £1.60 or €1.87 for small oversized products across the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. These reductions range from 12 to 30%, depending on the store and the product size brands. This makes it even more cost effective to sell across Europe. So now is the time to be considering this. You could dramatically increase your sales, and better yet, you're actually going to be saving money to do it. Clearly, Amazon is trying to entice people to open up their goods to the wider market. So let's have a breakdown of these fees. UK, France, Italy, and Spain are going to see 12 to 30% fee reductions for small oversized products up to 61 by 46 by 46 centimeters and 1.76 kg. If you fall in that bracket, your goods naturally are going to save 12 to 30%. Germany is 22 to 28 fee reductions for small oversized products, exact same dimensions, except in the kg is going to be 1.26 kg on that. Other FBA fees remain unchanged. All fulfillment fees will stay the exact same. So these are really aimed at smaller good products, fast shipping, and all of that will still apply. How does that really help you? Well, lower fees mean bigger margins. It's as simple as that. If you're selling small oversized products, you will see significant cost savings here, guys, which you then can reinvest into your business or just sit back and enjoy those extra profits. And if you really want to do a solid one, you could even pass those savings to the customers, again, making your prices more competitive. Perhaps that's what your goal is, who knows? So how do you get started? Well, you have to enroll in it. Firstly, go into your Amazon FBA settings, set up Pan-European Fulfillment and Seller Central. This will allow Amazon to distribute your stock all across Europe, helping you reach more customers with faster shipping. Review the new fees. Head to the 2024 Fulfillment by Amazon FBA fees. See the site here. Anyone that's selling on Amazon FBA, shoot, you've got this email, click this link and it will bring you to the page where it gives you all the breakdowns. And it's interesting just to read to understand the general fulfillment fees. This can maybe make you understand what product you should be trying to go for. If you're doing a private label product, you know, this is the kind of criteria you want to be looking at. And that's maybe where you want to expand your product range based on this. It could massively impact your business. And this wasn't a clickbait video. This is a great video, guys. This is telling you straight up, you have an opportunity here that is changing as of tomorrow. Make the most of it. And in conclusion, selling on Amazon FBA in the UK alongside Europe is a great way to scale your business. And with these new fee reductions, there's never been a better time, guys. There really, really hasn't. Don't miss out on this opportunity to grow your Amazon FBA business in 2024. We're leading into Q4. You're about to hit it big. And imagine now if you open up the European, how crazy Q4 is going to be. Please hit the subscribe button if you find this video informative. Get us on our social medias where we do a lot of different content. Better yet, get into the free Discord. And if you're interested in starting Amazon FBA, we have a beginner course. We've just launched it about 2-3 weeks ago. £99. A to Z, get set up. There's no excuses. We can't make it any easier for you. See you in the Discord. See you in the next video. Peace.